In 2023, I invested close to 6 months trading Forex. And I did all that in order to learn the hard way whether this is something that someone can actually immerse themselves into. At the end of this video, you will learn a few basic things, including the facts that nobody talks about. Out here, people be lying, man. They keep telling you what they think you want to hear, probably because they're creating content or they want to sell you something, a boat or a book. So I got myself into it, read several books, watched hours and hours of YouTube videos, invested money, did actual trades, did demos, so that I'll be able to give you some light on whether it is something that is worth trying or not. So basically, I will share with you facts that I have learned, first-hand experience. And don't even worry, I'm not trying to be your next guru. I'm only here to help someone so that if you're getting in, you already know what you're getting yourself into. So I will share with you the facts that you need to know. I will tell you what could increase your chances of succeeding in this business. And finally, I will share with you the brokers that I tried and why I chose to work with them. So I urge you to please watch this video all the way to the end because you don't want to miss any part of this information. I did 6 months so that you don't. Fact number 1, you can actually make so much money. I'm not kidding. You can make so much money trading Forex. It is real, yes. People do make money. Although people are lying, they are flashing money out here, but it is an opportunity that can actually make you a lot of money. That's a fact. The second fact is that this is a skill that anybody can learn. If you invest time in it, if you take time to go through the learning process, it is a skill that anybody, even if you know nothing about it right now, you can get to learn about it. It is a skill. The third fact, it is a high risk. Oh my God, it is very high risk. You can lose everything in a flash. You can lose everything. But again, as they say, where there is high risk, there's also high opportunity of making good returns. And the fact that you might not hear many people talk about, nobody has it figured out. So that person telling you that they'll be sending you signals which are sure 100%, they are lying to you. Nobody has it figured out. Nobody can tell you for sure that they'll wake up in the morning and make money till the evening and they are making positive returns. Nobody has it figured out. Nobody can look at a chart or a graph and tell you that if you do this, it's going to be profitable. If you do that, you're going to get into a loss. Nobody can say that with definite precision. Nobody has it figured out. There is only a science that if you take advantage of it and take so much time to learn and to relearn, you can be able to increase your chances of scoring the positive or winning instead of losing a lot. But nobody has it figured out 100%. At you say, let's wait for so and so to tell us how it's going to work out. Nobody has it figured out. And therefore, if you're thinking about trying it out, how can you increase your chances of succeeding in this Forex business? Number 1, remember I said it is a skill. So you need to take time to invest in learning the skill. There is a science behind Forex trading. There is a science behind those binaries, what, the terminologies, the buying, the selling, the timings, all that you need to invest in learning. It is a skill that you need to learn. The second thing, we are very greedy. Please take time to practice. I remember at some point, I got into the demo, tried making a few trades, and the next thing, I'm ready to start trading. I want to put money in because I think I already know. No. Take time to practice. Take a lot of time. Like if you can actually take a whole 6 months or 3 months or more, learn day and night, use the demo. Most of the time when you're starting to become profitable on the demo, people want to jump into investing. No, that is not right. You need to invest time in learning, practicing. Another thing that you need to learn is to manage losses. And this is through something called risk management. Without that, you're going to burn everything down to the ground. You need to be able to learn how to manage your risks because it is extremely risky. Otherwise, if you don't learn risk management, you are going to lose all of it. Another thing that you need to learn to improve your chances of succeeding is how to manage your emotions or your psychology. This is another part that you need to invest in learning because this business is very draining. It has adrenaline, high pressured moments. You lose most of the time more than you actually win. So if you cannot be able to handle that, you cannot take it. That is why you need to know how to manage your psychology. And finally, it is not just a thing that you will press buttons and chill back and relax. You need to invest time. It is work. It's going to be actual work. Every day you have to either work between 8 to 5. It is actual work. Nobody should lie to you that it is passive income. And so if you will want to try out and want to get started, especially as a young person in Kenya, in East Africa, who are some of the brokers that I chose to work with and why? Number one was XM. Of course, this was my first broker. They gave me a lot of bonuses. They come with several bonuses here and there, which help when you have a very low capital, especially now that they allow you to invest or deposit from as low as $5, and then they give you an extra like $5 extra. So you get started with about $10 there. So you see, it helps you. You can consider that broker. Number two is FBS. This one allows you to get started. Actually, it gave me an opportunity. I could deposit from as low as 350 bob. You know, when you want to start something new and you don't have the capital, yeah, this is another place that you can get to start and try real money because they give you a cent account. You can actually do a cent account. You will understand these things when you get into them, but cent, it helps you to trade with a times 100. If it is like assuming it's $10, so if I put in $10, it gives me 1,000 cents, but it looks like $1,000. So it gives you a better place to learn with actual money while you are not losing or risking too much. And finally was Pepperstone. All of this, by the way, they allowed M-Pesa deposits and withdrawals. But now Pepperstone's minimum is $10, but then it gives you an option of variety, not just meta traders only, but you can actually use other things like TradingView and several others, yeah, which gives you a bigger variety. All of this, I will leave links in the description below. This was just for informational purposes, but take time to learn. It is something that is doable, but remember, it is extremely high risk. And if you have problems with pressure, my friend, it is not for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give me some feedback, and I wish you all the best if this is what you want to get started in.